But bonsai is a captivating art form. It involves growing miniature trees in containers. These trees are meticulously shaped and their growth is carefully controlled. Imagine a centuries-old tree. Now, picture it shrunk down. Visualize it perfectly formed, yet tiny in a beautiful pot. That is the magic of bonsai. This art form originated in ancient China. It was later refined in Japan. Today, bonsai is practiced worldwide. People from all walks of life enjoy this hobby. Bonsai trees are not just plants, they are living sculptures. They represent harmony between nature and artistry. Each bonsai is unique, each tells a story. Cultivating bonsai is a journey of patience and creativity. The first step in your bonsai journey is choosing the right tree. This decision sets the foundation for your entire bonsai experience. Not all species are suitable for bonsai. Some trees are more adaptable and easier to train than others. Consider your local climate. Some trees prefer warm weather, while others tolerate colder temperatures. Your environment plays a crucial role in the health of your bonsai. Popular choices include juniper, pine, and maple. These species are known for their beauty and resilience. These species are relatively hardy and respond well to shaping. Research different tree species to find one that matches your skill level and aesthetic preferences. Choose one that suits your environment and taste. The right tree will thrive in your care and bring you joy. Think about the size of your bonsai. They range from tiny main bonsai to larger ones. Each size has its own unique charm and care requirements. Smaller trees require more frequent care, while larger ones offer more flexibility in shaping. Your lifestyle and available time should guide your choice. Consider your experience level. Start with a beginner-friendly species if you're new to bonsai. Juniper and Chinese elm are good choices for beginners. They are forgiving and can help you learn the basics. As your skills grow, you can experiment with more challenging varieties. The world of bonsai is vast and full of possibilities. Bonsai trees have specific needs. They require regular watering and their soil must drain well. This ensures that the roots do not become waterlogged, which can lead to root rot. Watering frequency depends on the tree species, pot size, and climate. For instance, a bonsai in a small pot may need more frequent watering than one in a larger pot. Trimming and pruning are essential. These practices help maintain the desired shape and size of the bonsai. These techniques shape the bonsai and control its growth. Use sharp, sterilized tools to prevent disease and ensure clean cuts. Trim new growth regularly and prune branches selectively. This encourages healthy growth and prevents the tree from becoming too dense. Repotting is crucial for bonsai health. It allows the tree to access fresh nutrients and prevents it from becoming root-bound. As the tree grows, its roots fill the pot. This can restrict growth and reduce the tree's overall health. Repotting provides fresh soil and space. This is essential for the tree's continued growth and vitality. It is usually done every 2 to 5 years, depending on the species and growth rate of the bonsai. Choose a pot slightly larger than the root ball. This gives the roots room to grow without becoming cramped. Use a well-draining bonsai soil mix. This helps prevent waterlogging and ensures the roots get enough oxygen. Carefully remove the tree from its old pot and prune any circling or overgrown roots. This encourages new, healthy root growth and keeps the tree thriving. Section 4. Cultivating patience, cultivating beauty. Bonsai cultivation demands patience. It's a long-term commitment, really. Trees take time to grow and develop. Shaping a bonsai is a gradual process. So don't rush the process. Enjoy each stage of your bonsai's journey. Observe your tree closely, learn its growth habits, respond to its needs. Patience brings rewards in bonsai. With time and care, your tree will flourish. It will develop its unique character. The process teaches mindfulness and appreciation for nature. Remember, bonsai is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges. Celebrate the small victories. The rewards of patience are immeasurable. Section 5. A miniature masterpiece. Growing a bonsai is deeply rewarding. It is an art form that requires patience, dedication, and a deep understanding of nature. It connects you with nature. It fosters creativity and allows you to express yourself through the shaping and nurturing of the tree. It teaches valuable life lessons such as patience, perseverance, and the importance of attention to detail. The result is a miniature masterpiece. A living piece of art that reflects your hard work and dedication. Your bonsai becomes a reflection of your dedication. It is a testament to your commitment and care. It is a living testament to your patience. Watching it grow and evolve over time is incredibly fulfilling. It's a source of pride and joy. Display your bonsai in a place where it can be admired and appreciated. Display your bonsai with pride. Choose a spot where it can thrive and be a focal point in your home. Choose a spot where it receives adequate light. Proper lighting is essential for the health and growth of your bonsai. Share your creation with others. Let them see the beauty and intricacy of your work. Explain the art form and its significance. Educate others about the history and techniques of bonsai. The journey of bonsai is ongoing. There is always something new to learn and discover. There is always something new to learn. Experiment with different techniques. Join a bonsai community to share knowledge and experiences. Share your passion with fellow enthusiasts. Engage in discussions and exchange ideas to further your understanding. As you nurture your bonsai, remember, you are cultivating more than just a tree. You are cultivating more than just a tree. You are nurturing patience, artistry, and a deeper connection with the natural world. You are cultivating patience, artistry, and a deeper connection with the natural world. This journey is as much about personal growth as it is about the growth of the tree.